Hello, I'm Toro, and today I'm gonna be opening up some more diecast cars. These are some of the cars that I've opened in my other videos, and I bought about 50 of these little clamshell boxes, but they're too small for like something like this. Like the Jeep, the window would come out, or this one's like way too long, so I don't know, I'll probably put these somewhere else. And these are like the mystery cars that I got last time. And that Chevy, I forgot what it's called, Chevy 2 I think it was. But today I'm gonna be opening up some Matchbox cars and some Hot Wheels cars. I'm gonna open up 10 cars, 5 Matchbox and 5 Hot Wheels. And it's kind of like a Matchbox versus Hot Wheels kind of thing, so see what has better. Let's see which one's better. Start off with the Matchbox. This one's a 1972 Lotus Europa Special. Card looks pretty cool with little artwork. And here's the car. It's a pretty cool little sports car from the 70s. I like the little gold line that it has like all around. Little details. The front looks kind of like a Porsche. But the side looks kind of like a El Camino. I don't know. I think I've ever seen one of these cars before. Let's see, a pretty rare car. But I like the color of it. It's pretty good. I like the details. The wheels look pretty cool. Yeah, this is a pretty cool little car. Now let's do a Hot Wheels. I have a Hot Wheels 1970 Plymouth AAR Cuda. Very Cuda. This one looks like a badass muscle car. Like that it says Plymouth on it. Got some details, the stripes. Oh, it looks pretty cool. And I like the hood. It's got the pins where you can open the hood. Yeah, this car looks pretty cool. The red color, I think I like the color on the other one better though. But I like the detail, like the stripes. And the fact that it says Plymouth back here. Oh, this is Hot Wheels on the hood, on the trunk. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And I had this one in my collection for a while because it's from 2015. Let's do a Matchbox. Newer Matchbox. I got the Off-Road Rally 1990 Volkswagen Golf Country. Got like 3 of these, and this one had a broken bubble, so let's make a better way to open these. this one's really cool. 290 Rally Golf G2. It says Matchbox. It has the BW symbol. It's got a wheel on the back, extra. It's actually a 4-door too. It's pretty cool. Looks very like rally style. I like the front. This little bumper thing. And I like the white wheels too. Yeah, this one's really cool. I wonder if this one fits in this one. Yeah, it fits good. Yeah, I like this little rally one. That's pretty cool. Well, I'm gonna do a Hot Wheels. I have a Hot Wheels 1971 Maverick Grabber. It's from the Hot Wheels Vintage American Muscle. It's got some other cars in the back. Yeah, I didn't really get all these cars when they were out, so I didn't get the full set. I just opened some. I think I have another Maverick Grabber in my collection, so. Oh, this one's really nice. Check out that blue paint, orange stripes. Yeah, it's got a lot of detail to it. I like the wheels in this one. And the front looks pretty good. From the side looks pretty aggressive. The back looks cool too. It's got black interior. Plastic base. Yeah, this one's a real nice one. Another 70s car. So I have a lot of 70s ones too. And let's do a Matchbox. Another newer ones too. It's the Sugar Daddy, the Ford GT40. This one also has a broken bubble. But I got this one like twice too. Actually, I think I have it like 3 times. So I have a Ford GT40 collection. And then I got one for the candy set, so. Yeah, this one's really cool. Sugar Daddy Ford GT, number 4. It's got a black base. The wheels are like gold. Yeah, it's a pretty cool car. Sports car. Let's do a Hot Wheels. I have the Fast and Furious from the Fast 5. This is a Nissan 370Z. I have another Nissan over here. Oh yeah. I have this one. But I think this one's a 350C. Oh no, it's actually a 370Z also. But I think I like this one more though. Not sure where I got that one. But this is from the Fast 5 movie, Fast and Furious. Some other cars in the back right there. And yeah, I think I remember seeing that Fast 5. This was the 5th one. This one I went to Brazil. But I don't remember this car though. I don't remember it came out there. Or maybe I just really remember the movie. It's got some pretty cool rims. Back looks cool, and it's got the carbon fiber hood. It's a Z car. That's pretty cool. Let's do a Matchbox. I have a, what is this? This is a 1995 Subaru Svx. It's got kind of a futuristic look to it. It's got the black and white. It says SBX on the back, Subaru. Black roof. This kind of looks like those Eclipse from like the early 90s. Or like that Eagle Talon. I like kind of like that look. But I like how it has like the window like kind of smaller. It's got like a really, I don't know, like futuristic look to it. Wheels look pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen one of those cars before. SVX. Let's do Hot Wheels. Have the custom 72 Chevy Love. It's from 2016. I don't know if I have another Chevy Love in my collection, so I think I did have a green one. Huh? That's a pretty cool cast. It's all red. It's got the engine coming out of the hood. It's like a small truck for like, maybe for like drag racing or something. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The interior is like chrome. The back part's chrome. It says Chevrolet on the back. That's a cool little truck. I like this one. And I got a Matchbox. I got another off-road rally. This is kind of a new set right now. And this one's the 2015 Subaru Wrx Sti. Actually just got the full set of these. There's 12 in the collection. Let's see. Yeah, I got all those right there. I think my favorite one was the Datsun 510 Rally. And that Bronco's really nice too. Yeah, this car looks really rally style. It's got a pretty big wing on the back. It's got the blue, the blue windows. Rally Subaru Matchbox. Safety 00. One's got blue rims. That looks really cool. These Subaru cars are really really fast, like pretty aggressive. I know they're 4 doors. Got some strong engines on these. And my last car is Hot Wheels. It's another one of those vintage American muscle cars. This one's a 1970 Pontiac Gto. Got kind of a American look to it. That looks pretty cool. Convertible. It's got the the blue interior. It's got kind of a American flag theme kind of thing. GTO. That looks really nice. It's got the Pontiac front end. It's got a spoiler on the back. I should have got another one of those GTOs there. I think I like the blue one more though. The black interior looks really nice. Put these two together. And that's it. That's all 10 of these. Mostly 70s cars. But has to be through Matchbox or Hot Wheels. I think I'm gonna have to give it to Hot Wheels because this one, the paint is just fucking nice. This one's really detailed. This one's really detailed. Like this one too. But the Matchbox are really cool too. I mean, I like this Rabbit, the GT40. This one's really cool. Never seen one of these cars before. But yeah, I think in this round, I think it has to go for Hot Wheels. Yeah, maybe Hot Wheels. But it's a pretty close finish though. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a few cars that I wanted to open up for my collection. Put them away, like maybe like one of these cases or in some of these boxes. I actually got like 50 of these for like 20 bucks on eBay. So if you want to look for that, just go on eBay. That's pretty much it. Just a little unboxing. Some cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.